Hi there, it's Susan. I'm going to do a quick video. I'm going to do a bloom on a small little canvas. I think it's a 4x4. No, not a 4x. Yeah, it could be a 4x4 or 3x3. Okay, I'm using house paint as my base. Whoops. This is PPG Kitchen, Bath, and Trim Satin. Just a little bit more, I think. Oops. Oh, God. Whoops. My recipe will be in the description below the video. I'm not going to go through it right now. Whoops. I'm using ink mixed in with my pouring medium, which is only untinted paint. Ink and this little piggy. I did some previous to this and they turned out okay. They haven't dried yet, so I don't know how they're going to turn out exactly. I used white cell activator. This time I'm using black. It's lamp black, Amsterdam. You have to mix it really, really well. Okay, so I'm going to use this little piggy funk first. I need a little bit of that. Probably shouldn't have put that much on. Might dry dark. Okay. I'm going to put this little piggy glisten on next. Then I have ink, that's pigment. This is ink. I've got vivid red orange ink, and I can't show you the consistency because there's barely anything left. I'm just going to scrape the last little bit of this, put it on top. It's Liquitex Acrylic ink mixed with untinted paint, and it's the same brand as what I just showed you, Kitchen and Bath Semi-Gloss, PPG, Kitchen, Bath, and Trim, Ultra Deep Base. Dries really clear. Okay, I don't think I can get any more on. Now I've got some Quinacridone Magenta. It's also ink. And that's it. Now I'm putting my black cell activator on. Whoops. And then I'm going to blow with my breath and spin. I might spin. I might not spin. I'll see how it goes. My cell activator is only American Floetrol with Amsterdam. over the place. All right, here we go. Whoops. Whoops, a little bit of white. Yellow came through there. Trying to blow gently. All right, that's good enough, I think. It's looking pretty good so far. Air bubble. I've got a couple of white cells here. Try and get rid of them. I'm just gonna just poke a toothpick in the middle of the white cell, just ever so lightly, and the other colors come around it, and the white dot is gone. Somewhat gone. Okay, that's on the edge, so that's okay. It's looking pretty good. I don't know if I should. I like spinning. I think I'm going to spin it. Woo, that looks pretty nice. It's not enough paint going down the sides though, but that's okay. I can add white. I don't know if I want to spin any more than this. One more, just to make sure I don't leave too much paint on the canvas. A little bit of a, I forget what they call that. Alright, I don't think I'm going to do any more to it. It's going to be covered though. I think that looks pretty nice. Except for this two little areas here. If I stretch it though, I don't think it will look very well over here. So, either I live with it. I'm going to try and stretch it a bit though. Maybe it will work. No, I think I'm going to leave it. I'll bring it down. Alright, I got rid of that. Yes, this right here. Not sure what's making that. There's no varnish in this at all. It could be, it could be the, it's not reacting very well with the ink, the pigments. So I guess you either use one or the other. But it looks nice. I still think it looks pretty nice. Okay. I will show you the dried results at the end of the video. Hi, I am back with the dried results. It looks okay with the black. It didn't dry dark. I got a little bit of flocculation or whatever it's called over here in the corners. I don't know why. But the rest of it seems to be okay. The interference color seems to be nice. Whoops. Alright. So thank you for watching my video, and have a great day. Bye for now.